Let me guess, you've been watching home renovation channels trying to figure out what upgrades are worth making. That way you can maximize the price of your homes. Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to simplify that for you. Roll the intro. What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Sorry. I actually record these videos late at night because I am in a functioning office. And during the day, phone calls, people knocking on my door, and yeah, the only time that I get to make these videos are late at night when there's very little noise pollution. So I am actually going to make myself some green tea matcha. I don't drink coffee, unfortunately. Probably not a very popular statement to make, but nonetheless, you know, movie magic. Better. Real estate is a delicate dance. You spend too much money and you might not be able to recoup the cost when you sell the property. You spend too little money and you might have to settle for a lower price. So you want that equilibrium, a most bang for your buck type situation. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do, update the kitchen. And I'm saying update, not renovate. You don't want to completely gut it. You don't want to tear everything down. You just want to, change the fixtures, change the knobs, fix any leaky faucets, clean the oil that sometimes accumulates over time, whatever the case may be, and just pretty much refresh it. The next thing you're going to do is actually get matching appliances. These are kind of the biggest items in your kitchen, and this is what the buyers tend to gravitate towards. Number two, you're going to want to update the bathroom. Update, don't renovate. It's a huge focus for potential buyers. Just like the kitchen, fix the faucets. If budget allows, re-chalk, re-grout. It'll bring a newer look to the entire bathroom, thus allowing you to increase the price on your home. Hell, you're gonna look at your kitchen and bathroom and think to yourself, I don't think I want to sell my house anymore. Number three, clean and declutter. You're about to move out. Anyway, by cleaning and decluttering, packing things away, you're essentially helping yourself out when moving day comes, and moving day will come. Look, it's your house. I get it. You get to live however you want, but you're getting ready to put it on the market and make the most amount of money possible, right? The cheapest update you can do is cleaning and decluttering. And it's kind of a first impression type thing. When buyers walk into your home, they don't want to see how you're living. They want to imagine themselves how they're going to live in this house in the future. And if it's too cluttered, if it's too dirty, too messy, they're not going to be able to imagine themselves living there and thus not allow you to sell the home faster. Number four, fresh coat of paint. This is a real hack. Paint your front door as boldly as possible as long as it still fits with the facade of the overall house. All the buyers, after they've looked at the houses online, they're going to drive by your house before they make the decision to set up an appointment to view it. Having a nice bold door just emphasizes that. The door is literally the first thing that buyers see as they're walking up to your house. When it comes to the inside, you're going to want to stick to neutral colors and grays. Try not to go too bold, although if you already have bold colors inside, go on ahead and give those a retouch as well. I'm not saying paint the entire house, I get it, you're trying to be budget friendly here, but at least try to paint and touch up any high traffic areas, those bold colors if you have them. Give those a nice retouch where it is absolutely necessary. And finally, number five, take good photos. It scares me how many people actually try to take pictures with the iPhone. That iPhones are great. They take great pictures, but they don't have the focal length to really encapsulate an entire room. And I know I'm getting a little bit technical here. Sorry, I'm a little bit of a camera nerd. But, all right, just really long story short, hire a professional photographer. They're gonna have the kits and lenses necessary to really encompass the entire house. Try to take some evening shots with all the lights on. Try to take some during the day. Really kind of lets people know the overall vibe of the home. It is important that you get these professional photos done because 95% of all buyers start by looking online, and capturing their attention into photos is the most important part in luring them in because they pay more attention to the photos than they do to any description. So question of the day, what are some upgrades that you think are worth doing to maximize the price of your home? Go on ahead and comment down below. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. All my contact information is down below. See you guys next time. Good green tea matcha.